This right here is my 1933 first release Zippo replica. Got it for over $100. I think it was like $130. But it's actually one of the shittiest replicas they made. Because, let's take it apart. As you can see, they filled the case up with something so that the insert can fit. On the originals, the insert was a lot taller. Let me get a good angle here. See? You can see how much taller the insert was really supposed to be on an original. It also has an outside hinge with 5 when it is supposed to only have 3, I believe. But this one, the outside hinge is fake. It has an inside hinge. Anyways, it's still cool though, but just letting y'all know, if y'all try to buy one, that's what y'all are going to be looking at. It is a good lighter though. It's really rough on the edges. You know, like you could hit somebody with it and hurt them really. The corners are sharp, and you can see why they changed the design over the years to be more comfortable in your hand. And here's what the paper in the case says.